Hey, this is Ahmed from Zeeqr Nfc business card, and this is the card, and this is how it works. You just one tap on your phone, and all your information is going to appear here, and you can easily share it with everyone else in your connections. I will show you how to purchase one. First, you go to zeekr.com and you click on the first search result. You go over the shop, you choose whatever card you want, you customize your card, black, white, text, gold, or silver. You apply the coupon so you can get an extra discount on your card. You fill your information here, like your name, your designation, your email address, and you put your phone number. I just created one. Upload your logo the way you like. Don't worry, our designing team will handle your logo no matter what it is. And you go complete your information like full name, company name, country, street address, town or city, zip code, landmark, and most importantly is the order note. Like my logo, I want the logo to be golden, and that's it. You go to place order and you'll go to the payment, and that's it. This is how you purchase. Very easy, and this is the most professional way to share your information with anyone else. After purchasing your card, you will receive an email with your credentials. Those credentials you want to use so you can customize your card whatever you like, any interface, anything you like. So you will receive your username and your password, and of course the login link. You go to the login link here and you put your email address that you already put in the beginning and you log in to your card. Here is your dashboard. In the dashboard, you will have like how many cards you still have, what are the active cards, and how many profile views. So in case you went to any conference, anything, you can see where people tapped your card from Mangalore, Sharjah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or whatever. You can see all the information and statistics about your card. The good thing is you go to your card and you go edit. In edit section, as you can see here, I can choose any interface I would like. Oh, I like the digital one. I like the Vex style. So you can see like this. And mine I chose as antique, which is I like because I love my picture to be in a circle. The cover image you chose, like I chose also the logo itself because it's white background. You put your profile picture, your company logo, basic information like your name, designation, and the about info. It's really important so you can introduce yourself. Social media platforms, you can upload your links here. Contact details like where you're living or where your business is. And you can also put your website, your review, and any review URL like testimonials or whatever. And you can also upload files like, okay, I have a gallery, I have pictures, I have videos. You can upload and put update and publish. When you update and publish, this is going to be your card. Whenever you tap this card on any phone, this is going to be your dashboard. It's gonna put like this. And as you can see, you can here check the preview before you want to create your edits or like, to finalize your card or like what you want to do with it. So that's it. Pretty simple, right?